Hello, good people. My name is Weka. Welcome back to Young TV Kenya. On today's video, we are doing a dance tutorial. I can't wait to see you know how to do Weka tip. Let's get into it. It goes like this. Let's go. 1, 2, then 3. You start with the right side so that you can come to the left side. You got it? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. When you hear needle, you go to the left side. Alright? Let's get it. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, and 3. Let's go. 10 times. And 3. Yeah. You got it. What you have to move your waist and you put your arms like this. This must be lower than the right hand or on the left side. This one will be higher than the right side. Let's get it. 5, 6, 7, go. Right. Again. Right. Again. Right. Let's go to the left. I can see you doing it. More energy. Yeah. That's how we do our fast dance move. It is crazy. It is awesome. You guys consider subscribing on this channel so that you can get to learn more and more. More love out there.